Quality is the foundation of your business. The parts that your company produces need to meet rigorous standards before they are accepted by your clients. DISCUS Software Company is the innovator and market leader in solutions expressly designed to address first article inspections and is in alignment with relevant standards such as AS 9100. DISCUS is designed and developed in America by U.S. employees. We support numerous high-security organizations within the aerospace, defense, automotive, and medical industries. Our customer base includes more than 2,200 organizations across the globe, including Lockheed Martin, Raytheon Technologies Corporation, Honeywell Aerospace, John Deere, Caterpillar, and Philips Healthcare. At DISCUS Software Company, we constantly improve on our existing services to provide the most effective, reliable, and intuitive solutions possible. Proactive investments and patents fuel new systems that more effectively support your quality assurance needs. To learn more about how DISCUS Software Company can enable exceptionally high quality control for your business, get in touch with us today.